Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to remove a line from your T-Mobile account using the T-Mobile app and are unsure where the option is located, the process can feel confusing at first, especially when account settings seem overwhelming. Sometimes people open the T-Mobile app and cannot find line management options, while other times they are unsure whether canceling a line happens instantly or needs confirmation. Since removing a line may affect billing, service, or connected devices, following the right process can help avoid unnecessary confusion. The best part is that with a few careful steps, managing a T-Mobile line through the app can feel much easier than expected. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to remove a line in the T-Mobile app. Try these. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app and sign into the account, managing the line carefully. Step 2. Go to account or line settings inside the T-Mobile app before making changes. Step 3. Select the specific line you want to remove using the T-Mobile app carefully. Step 4. Review available management options in the T-Mobile app connected to that line. Step 5. Follow confirmation steps shown inside the T-Mobile app before finishing the request. Step 6. Recheck the T-Mobile app afterward and confirm the selected line updates correctly on the account.